grammar. How do you incorporate it into your homeschool? Stick around. I'll be discussing easy grammar and how we use it in our homeschool. Okay, so the thing about easy grammar is that it's easy. It really is a program that I am happy that we purchased. I am someone who is more math inclined, so I have no idea what to do, how to teach it, and I'm not using an all-in-one language arts program, so I decided that we needed to piece it together. And I do like how it is repetitive. There's some review incorporated into it each day, and also how it is gentle, repetitive and gentle. That's what mama needs. When you first open it up, and I'm going to do a flip through. When you first open it up, it does give you some instructions, some basic vocabulary that your child should know and that you should spend time going over with them. And you can kind of simultaneously do this as you are starting. And then each day there are suggested comments for you to make. And it's like the most that I've seen is a quarter of a page. And it's not even, I wouldn't even say a quarter of a page. Like, day one might be the most, and that's because it's telling you to go, yeah, this is the most from day one. Oh, here we go. This is the most from day one that I've seen, and I wouldn't even say it's a quarter of a page, but you just kind of, and I haven't had to like prep before. I just kind of skim it before we do it, and then that's it. And then also, then you get into the actual lessons, and then you get into the answer key, which I haven't had to use because it is first grade, you know. And so the way that I have my book separated, I have 3, so make sure I see it, 3 bookmarks. So that's for the instructor comments that you want to make sure you do, the actual page that your child will be looking at, and then the answer key. And then you have the student workbook. If you're someone who, you know, doesn't mind working, I didn't know if I'd be working side by side with my daughter. So you could technically really get away with only having one of these. They could either, you could set it up where you're writing on the whiteboard and you guys are discussing and they're writing it in a notebook. You could set it up where you're working right beside each other and you have, you know, this page open, and then you look at the answer key. I mean, it's kind of how you want to do, but how you want to do it and how your homeschool is kind of set up. But you, especially for grade 1, you don't have to have this. I just preferred this because I wasn't sure if I'd be working one right beside her. You know, I got 4 other kids and I'm toggling between the pre-K'er who's about to go to kindergarten, and then I have the twins and my 3-year-old. So that is why I purchased this, and I will purchase this for my other kids, just so we're clear. So let me go ahead and turn you guys around so that you get a look of the curriculum.
Okay, so first I'm going to show you how I keep my bookmarks in my different view, and then I will show you the beginning of the book where it breaks down how the lessons are separated. And if lessons are separated into 4 parts, which include, there we go, capitalization, punctuation, the lesson, and the sentence. And it's more of a spiral approach, so each one builds, but it starts from what they previously learned the next day. So I like how it's mastery but also spiraling and a gentle and slow pace. So now I will start the flip through. Something that I forgot to mention is that on the sentence part of the lessons, the first half of the program, you'll see that the child can either trace or write the sentence. And then the second half of the program, they take away the option to trace and they just have the sentence where they have to actually write it. Thanks for watching this flip through. If you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing to my channel. If you're using this curriculum for grammar, or if you're thinking about using it, please let me know in the comments, especially if there's a way that you kind of don't use it how they tell you to, if there's like another, nuance or a trick that you use. Please let me know in the comments, and I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.